With no crash test scores, the 2018 Porsche Panamera looks at for our score. Neither the NHTSA has crash-tried the Porsche Panamera yet. We've left its well-being score truant until the point when we see information. All models have standard forward crash admonitions and programmed crisis braking, which can counteract mischances or braking point the speed of effect. All-wheel drive is standard on everything except the base model. A rear-view camera is standard, however dynamic path control and versatile journey control sit on the choices list, alongside programmed stopping help. A level of self-driving equipment lets the Panamera unpredictable with activity, and can switch to another lane when all's reasonable. 2 new security advancements are offered too. A night vision assistant uses a warm imaging camera to recognize individuals and expansive creatures and caution drivers of their essence. Porsche's new InnoDrive framework, which incorporates versatile journey control, utilizes route information and signs from radar and video sensors to figure and initiate the ideal quickening and deceleration rates, outfit choices, and drifting stages for the following 1.8 miles.Everything's an innovative undertaking inside the Panamera. This current vehicle's low, vertical dashboard offers route to a high-mounted focus support with capacitive touch switches for auxiliary capacities. Not at all like a few adversaries, Porsche has not disposed of with a traditional rigging lever. Before the driver, Porsche places a couple of 7.0-inch screens to flank a midway found simple tachometer. On the off chance that it's a 1975 Porsche 914 you're planning to exchange for your new Panamera, you will be very stunned. Amidst the inside stack sits another screen, this one a 12.3-inch wide unit. Raise situate travelers in the standard Panamera each get their own particular very much supported honored position and a middle reassured that imitates the setup in advance. Panamera Sportrismus can sub in an accessible 4+1 setup with a regular back seat, of sorts.